Hello and welcome to this Amcrest tutorial. This video shows how to install a microSD card into your Amcrest Wi-Fi doorbell camera and also covers microSD card recordings. A microSD card can be installed before or after mounting the doorbell camera. A microSD card can be used to store events from your doorbell. The doorbell is compatible with microSD cards up to 128 GB. Please ensure you're using a microSD card that is class 10 or higher and is capable of sufficient read-write speeds for your high-definition recordings. The microSD card must be formatted to FAT32 before proceeding. This may have to be done manually as most programs do not format to this allocation automatically. For more information on how to format your microSD card to FAT32, please see the link in the description below for our corresponding article. To install a microSD card into the doorbell, remove the faceplate on the front of the device by using the grooves on the sides to insert a fingernail or thin flat object to separate the faceplate from the doorbell. Once the faceplate is removed, locate the microSD card slot on the side of the doorbell. The microSD card slot will be next to the reset button. Raise the microSD card flap to reveal the card slot. Insert the microSD card with the metal contacts facing towards the front of the doorbell, and press in to secure the card into the slot. Place the flap over the slot and press in to secure into the doorbell. Your doorbell is now ready to start recording events directly to the microSD card. You can view your events and recordings using the Amcrest Smart Home app. The doorbell automatically records motion events back-to-back in 12 to 15 second increments or longer, ensuring every moment is captured and nothing is missed. The recordings are accessible using the Amcrest Smart Home app under microSD card or under the menu for motion recordings. We hope this video helped show you how to install a microSD card into your Amcrest Wi-Fi doorbell camera and view your microSD card recordings. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and more instructional videos from Amcrest.